Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing me, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys like my these types of videos and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. So today I wanted to share with you guys a quick like back to school haul that I did. I got my kids backpacks and some clothes for back to school. I'm super excited for them. They're super excited as well. My little one here is going to kindergarten, and are you excited for kindergarten? Mm-hmm. Yeah, awesome. And so she's excited. We've already picked out her backpack. We bought it a long time ago, and yeah, so she's so excited for that. My other daughter's backpack is on the way, and I'll show you guys that later on in the video what that one looks like too. But let me go ahead and get started with this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so first off, I want to start off with her backpack and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to, so that's what the backpack looks like, and I'm going to show a little clip of my daughter wearing the backpack, and it's just a really pretty backpack. It's got like a, not a shimmer, but like a, it's like holographic, or I don't know if that's the right word for it, but when you move it certain directions, it looks like a bluish purple mixed in, and then it looks white and silver at some point. So I like it a lot. It's really cute and beautiful, and it's got this little white pom-pom ball on it as well. And I also got the matching lunch bag to go with it, and again, it's the same design, the initials of her name, and it fits like most of the bento bins inside the lunchbox as well, so I do like that about it. And if you guys watched my video from last year, sorry, my little one's in and out of the picture. If you guys watched my video last year, I have very similar backpacks that look like this, the backpack and the lunchbox, and I am not going to be using them this year. And it looks just like this, except it's the unicorn one. And the only reason being, the plan I had was to pass those down to little sister here because they belong to her big sister. And long story short, this pom-pom ball got stuck in the zipper, except it was on this main part of the zipper, and the lunch bag got stuck inside of it. And so a month passed, everything was molded and ruined inside, and I could not get the pom-pom off the zipper. So I'm so glad that this one came, the pom-pom ball came on the zipper on the small, on the front. So if that happens again, it won't ruin the whole backpack. I literally had to toss the whole backpack and the lunch tote away, so I was very disappointed about that. But I can say it was a very good backpack. So I got these at Justice, by the way, so I did go back and purchase the new set for my daughter, and we plan to use this for a couple of years at least. Okay, so then the next thing I got, I'll put a picture in of the backpack that I got for my daughter. She got more of the messenger bag, and also from Justice. It's actually on its way. It's not here yet. I just ordered it yesterday, and so it's kind of the same. It's got the hologram going, the reflective hologram going, and so my daughter really likes that. She wanted a messenger bag this year and not a backpack, so we went ahead and ordered that one for her. And then for her lunch bag, we ended up going with this one, and it just says good vibes on it, and it just looks like this. And then I need to get another one of these, but this is the Sistema, and I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this. I got this from Target, but I believe they also carry it at Walmart as well. But this is a really good, it's almost like a bento box. You just open it from the sides, and it has the 3 compartments in there. I've mentioned before that I like ordering, or I like using the bento bins that have the compartments, because I don't like to have to deal with like a lot of containers, separate containers, and to wash all those pieces. So I like just the bento box bin, and I have high hopes for this. I think it's going to work out really well. I ended up going to, where is this? TJ Maxx, and I got a couple of things for my house from there, but I did also pick up my daughter's pair of shoes, if I can get this off. Okay, so she got these really cute little pink suede with the pom-pom balls in the front. So this is what they look like. And they were only like $12.99, so that was a really good deal for those. And then I ended up going to Old Navy and picking up their ballerina pants, because my girls are really petite and tiny and they don't fit in anything. Even tights fit them big. And so just to give you an idea, so I ended up going to, I heard a lot about their jeans, and so we ended up getting their ballerina, I don't know if they're jeggings or leggings, jeggings or jeans. I'm trying to see, it says jeggings on them, but it's the ballerina ones. And they are, I tried them on my daughter and they fit perfect. And so like I said, my girls are super tiny, so I had to get those. They had a 50% off deal this weekend, and so I went and got the dark denim jean color, I got the lighter color, and then I got like this pinky mauve color. And then I also got my 6-year-old. My 6-year-old doesn't really wear, oh, okay, so I also got this, like the pastel, if you can see it, the pastel blue color. So for my 6-year-old, she has nothing but tights, shorts, and dresses, and so I ended up getting her a pair of the jeggings as well, because they look like they'll fit. They're, like I said, they run super thin with their the skinny jeans. They're super skinny jeans, I would call them, and I think they'll fit her good. So I got her a pair as well. And then, okay, and then I ended up going to Children's Place and got a couple of things from there. So that's where I probably got most of the rest of their wardrobe. And like I said, I'll probably add on a couple of items here and there. Like, I didn't really find any dresses that I liked, and I wanted to get her some more tights for my little one. I think she's more comfortable in tights than jeans, so I wanted to get her a couple of more, and so I'm gonna kind of keep my eye out for those. But I ended up getting these really pretty, again with the holographic, my daughter's really into right now. So when you like move them a certain way, they look like pink and purple and blue. And I think they'll match her backpack perfect, or her messenger bag perfectly. Oh, by the way, if you end up getting these, she was really excited because they're high tops. If you end up getting these, I had to have them price match it from their online, because they are normally, I think it's like, it was $36, and online it was $25 and some change. So I saved over $11. If I didn't say anything, they would have charged me full price. So I happened to just look it up online and saw they had a discount going. Okay, so we'll start off with my 5-year-old's clothes. And so she got this one. It just says Squad Goals, and it's got the pink. It's just a really cute design. Colors, I like the colors on it. She got that one. And the next one she got is this, it says normal, hashtag normal is boring, and it's an emoji with a little unicorn on it. She liked that a lot, right? She saw it right away and wanted it. Okay, the next one I got is this one. It says Unicorn Club, and it just has like unicorns all over it. The next one we got her, oh, and most of these shirts, I think all of them except the long sleeve were $3.99. This long sleeve I think was $4.99. And then this one says Smart Girls Run the World, and it's got the little emojis on there, so I thought that was cute. My kids mostly wear t-shirt and jeans anyways, and like I said, I'm gonna add to the wardrobe still, but until I find what I'm looking for, I just went ahead and got these. The last shirt again is unicorn, so if you notice her theme here, what she's really into right now, everything that was unicorn, she was like, I want that, I want that, so we got her that. And then you'll notice a difference with my 10-year-old. She's into cats, so everything that she got was cat related. So this right here is just super cute. It says substitute teacher, and it has a cat on there with glasses working on the laptop. Okay, and then this one says bestie squad, and it's a couple of cats with just accessories, glasses, and both of my daughters wear glasses, so they really like when the shirts have glasses on the characters. And then the next one says, yes queen, beautiful and strong, girl power, and it's a pretty unicorn. The next shirt says, I'm sorry for what I said when I was hangry. And so I thought that was cute. It's got a lot of, if you can see, like the little emojis on it. Hopefully you guys can see my eyebrows on here. My camera is so bright. Okay, this next shirt I got, it says never underestimate the power of a girl, and it's the long sleeve one, but if you look closely, it's a cat. It's a kitten, and the shadow is that of like a cheetah or a tiger. Like it really moved my daughter. She liked it a lot. And the last shirt that I got from my 10-year-old, it says smart girls run the world, and it says, I think I got the same one. Did I get the same one for you too? Right, okay, yeah, so she got the same one as well with the emojis on it. So yeah, so that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And fall season is coming up, so I'm super excited if you guys are into those types of videos. I do cleaning videos, I do vlogs, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos, because I'm going to start recording for the fall. Now I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.